Poseidon. This is exactly what is Sahaja Yoga is. He described it. Now please, I don't know, all of you don't understand Marathi, but it's absolutely clear. Here. You understand Marathi? All right. वाचा वाचा. आता हे बघा, अगदी सहजयोग आहे बघा संबंध. पसायदान म्हणजे व्हायब्रेशन्स देणे. चैतन्य. हा बोला.
आता विश्वात्मके देवे तेणे वाग यज्ञे तोषावे तोषोनी मज द्यावे पसायदान आहे.
He says that the spirit of the whole Vishwa should get now be satisfied with me because I have done this Vani Yajna, and he should give me the Pasaidan. This is the Dan, is the vibrations, this Chaitanya Lahari.
जे खळांची व्यंकटी सांडो
Khalanchi. Khalanchi means the people who are intriguers. Intriguer word आहे त्याला. Intriguers. The intriguers should give up their intrigues.
तया सत्कर्मी रती वाढो.
They should become Satkarmi. They all have become. My husband says they have become angels.
भूता परस्परे पडो मैत्र जीवांचे.
Apap Satpre. They should have love for each other. Now you'll be surprised if I tell you, here we have 36 nations. And there are Indians of all status, of all types here. But the way they love each other is so remarkable that I myself sometimes so much surprised at their love. How they support each other, how they look after themselves. But the most remarkable thing was then when I went to Russia, 25 Germans came there and gave them realization. 2 Russians. And looked after them. This is love. This is real love. पुढे बोला.
दुरिताचे तिमिर जावो.
दुरितांचे तिमिर जावो. The darkness of ignorance should go away.
विश्व स्वधर्म सूर्य पाहो.
Vishwa, the whole universe must see the Swadharma. Even Shivaji has talked about Swadharma. Swa is your Atma. Now you'll be surprised that in America, Vishwa Nirmala Dharma has been accepted officially. You've got an official recognition by America. Of course, Russia has recognized us officially. But Vishwa Nirmala Dharma has been accepted by America.
जो जे वांछील तो ते लाहो प्राणी जातो.
Whatever you ask for, you will get it. It happens. You ask their experiences, they will tell you. But then your desires change. You don't ask for wrong things, your desires change.
वर्षत सकळ मंगळी ईश्वर निष्ठांची मांदी आली.
वा वा. तर समजलं का हे?
अनवरत भूमंडळी भेटतू भूता. चला कल्पतरूंचे
आरव. चला कल्पतरूंचे आरव. Kalpataru means the tree which gives you what you want, the desire it gives you. Now it is about the Sahajogis. Arava means the great forest. Now come along, the forests which can give boons to people.
चेतना चिंतामणीचे गाव.
चिंतामणीचे गाव. पुढे
बोलतेचे अर्णव पियुषांचे.
बोलते जे अर्णव. Arnava means the sea. The sea of Piyushanse, म्हणजे अमृताचे. Amrosa. The speaking, I mean, Ganeshwara is so great, his poetry is so great that to translate it also you kill it. त्यांचे काय म्हणता येईल?
अमृताचे सागर बोलणारे अमृताचे सागर.
These are the oceans which are full of ambrosia and they are talking. पुढे
चंद्रमेचे अलांछन.
चंद्रमेचे जे अलांछन.
मार्तंडचे तापहीन.
Their description is that their faces are like the moon without any spots on them. लांछन नाही त्याला. आणि मार्तंड जे तापहीन, they are like sun without any heat in them. They are cooling.
ते सर्वाही सदा सज्जन सोयरे होतो.
They are the relations. they become relations with each other. They have no other relations. They are relations. They sajjana, such righteous people, they become the friends.
किंबहुना सर्वसुखी पूर्ण होनी तिन्ही लोकी भजिजो आदिपुरुषी अखंडित.
The whole world has to become one to respect the primordial master or the primordial being.